Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to send Google calendar invite in email. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and select if it was for a day or this week or this month or whatever, right? And I'm going to keep it on this week, right? Let's say for example that I will set it on Friday, right? Between 9 and 10 a.m., right? You can change the timing right here if you want it to be 9:15 or whatever it might be, okay? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here, scroll a little bit down, you're gonna be able to add guests. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add, let's say for example, I'm gonna add one guest right here, myself. And then basically after you added that guest right here, I'm gonna add their name, right? Basically right here, you're gonna be able, after you added that guest, if you have more than one, just go ahead and click add guests. Email, and then here you're going to be able to see guests permissions. Now they can modify the event or invite others, see guest list, and you can control that within here, right? And don't forget to name your event. Let's have an example, meeting, right? So you're going to type right here meeting, you're going to keep it like that. And if there is a task, just go ahead right here, add a task. If you have an appointment schedule, just go ahead and set up appointment schedule. And here basically scroll a little bit down. If you want them to join with Google Meet, just go ahead and copy the link that's already there and send it via the invite, and then they're gonna receive the invite and they're gonna receive the that Google Meet link. So after you hit save, they're gonna receive the invite via their Gmail right here. So let's turn on the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.